A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is unique and is used to access its corresponding value. Dictionaries are useful for storing and retrieving data efficiently.
We use curly braces to define a dictionary with key-value pairs, separated by a colon. First, we define a dictionary called students with keys name, age, and grade. Each key is paired with a corresponding value, Alice, 20, and A, respectively. Finally, using the print function, we display the dictionary. We use the key inside square brackets to access a value in a dictionary. We define a dictionary called students with keys name, age, and grade as before. Using student's name, we access the value associated with the key name and print it with the label name. Using student age, we access the value associated with the key age and print it with the label age. Updating values in a dictionary is very easy. We define a dictionary called student with the same keys and with the same values. Using student grade equals A+, we update the value of the key grade to A+. Finally, we print the updated dictionary with the label updated student info. Now, how can we check if a key exists in a dictionary? We define a dictionary as before, and using the in keyword, we check if the key age exists in the dictionary. If the condition is true, we print age is available. And if it's false, we print age is not available.